Hi guys, Charity Shop Gold or Garbage, Thursday the 9th of June. Charity Shop Poundland. Okay, I saw this in the charity shop, well it's been there a couple of weeks now, but I decided to buy it. £2, so double what I like to pay, but to be fair, it is a nice little clock. And I think it's a sort of dual purpose thing. I think if you press it in the right way, I think it lights up. So it tells us the time, which is correct, more or less. Say day of the month, day of the week, month, day. Also does the temperature, which is in Fahrenheit at the moment. 74.3. The clock obviously runs off those two button cells, and then there's space for 4 AAA batteries, which I've got. There's also a socket on the back for a 4-volt supply, 4.5-volt supply. But we'll try it with batteries. Get these out of the pack. Okay. Double wrapped. Okay, 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't spot a manufacturer's name on it other than just made in China. I'm just looking at the words there. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. It won't unless we focus on it. There we are. Down, up, down, set, and alarm. So when that's in there, that's... And those two say tap next to them, so I'm guessing... Oh, colour changing. Is it colour? Yes, it is colour changing. Okay. So I guess in the middle of the night, if you want this display illuminated, you just press the button. What I was looking at in the shop was this would normally be a problem, but I reckon I can peel these off so we haven't got the kiddies night light effect on it. Might have to clean that up with a bit of alcohol of some sort. There you go. Yeah, I'll have to, that's a bit sticky now, I'll have to rub some alcohol over there to clean that up. But yeah, I reckon that was worth £2. So next, yeah, pound in Poundland. Why would I even think of buying that? Well, he does sort of swing, so I was thinking of using one of my circuits I did a little series recently tidying up some of my really old solar projects. And this is one of those really old solar projects that I haven't tidied up yet. If I stop it rocking, if I can. If there's enough sunlight, this thing charges up the capacitor and then discharges through the coil. So it does the random rocking. So I don't know if it will do it because there's not a lot of sunshine at the moment, it's overcast. Well, we'll leave that alone. But anyway, I was thinking of using that circuit, maybe tidying it up a bit and using it to rock him, put a little magnet on the bottom of him. Right, a little bit darker here so we can see the full effect. On the bottom, we've got an on-off switch there. In the on position, which I think is that way, then it continuously cycles through the colour changing. Which I can imagine could be quite annoying if you're actually trying to get to sleep. Possibly. The other way is demo. I've no idea what demo means. Looks like exactly the same thing. Maybe it stops after a while. Middle position, light is off, or it will be off in a second. Yeah, that's off. But if you want to know the time in the middle of the night, there you go, light comes on. And then eventually goes off again. I don't think it'll go off if I hit it twice. No, it doesn't. Yeah, I like that. For £2, that'll do for me. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.